Welcome everyone. This video tutorial is going to show you how to replace your click wheel on your iPod Classic 1st to 5th and 6th generation iPods. These are for the basically hard drive based iPods. You're looking in front of me right here is a 20 gigabyte Classic iPod 4th generation. And I'm going to show you how to remove the click wheel. This click wheel happens to be damaged. It's not working properly. It doesn't press right in, and it's not functioning with the commands that you need to do when you operate your iPod. So I'm going to take this click wheel out and I'm going to replace it, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do, well, it's already open. First thing we have to do is remove the hard drive. Pretty easy. There's a ribbon cable holding the hard drive in. When you remove this, always remove the ribbon cable from the hard drive. Don't remove, see, it's right here. Remove this ribbon from the hard drive. Don't remove the ribbon from the main board. It's basically simple. You just hold this with your thumb and you just pull gently, pull one side, then pull the left, and pull again here until it just pull again. Until it just breaks free. Gently put the hard drive away from the area. Next thing we're going to do is remove the main board. We'll actually have to remove the battery first, but I'm going to show you what you have to do to remove the main board. What you're going to need to remove the main board in order to get to the click wheel is a bit that is, it's a T7 size star nut removing bit. I just want to show you, T7, that's the size. It says T7 on it. Got this set from, you can get the whole set, it's from Craftsman, and they give you the bit driver too, which is universal. You can just stick the bits into the edge here, and then you can start using it. It's magnetic, it slips right in. Got this from Craftsman. You can go to Sears, they have it on sale. It's pretty cheap. Also has a lifetime warranty, so that's a pretty good deal as far as the warranty. So what we have to do here is remove, see, I'm going to point to them right now. You have one, two, you have one under the ribbon tape that's on top of the ribbon cable which holds in the hard drive. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A total of 6 hex star nuts to remove. Remember, these nuts need this bit to be removed. They won't work with a Phillips or a flathead screwdriver. You've got to be very careful. You're dealing with electronics. You want to do it right. You don't want to damage anything. So I'm going to start removing these bits. Now I'm going to have to lift up this piece of tape over here. Got to be very careful how you do that. Just want to lift it up just so I can reach. Just peel it back. There you go. Actually, just peel that area back. And right under it, as you can see, is that little nut right at the ends of my thumb tips. Just remove it. See, this is magnetic. It's really good. It just holds on to it when it's firmly loose. Drop it in here. Okay, now we could remove the main board. Be very careful. It's very porous, thin, and it's connected to the other area which is connected to the connector and a lot of other parts, and there's a thin bridge. It's all made of plastics, fiberglass. You gotta be very careful. Here's the screen. What we just gotta do is we just gotta easily now remove the battery. The battery's usually stuck on with some kind of glue, so just, I mean, you could have removed it before we did this, but either way, it doesn't really make a difference. And that sits right above the click wheel. I'm going to use a tool to remove it. This is a green plastic tool. They usually give you these when you buy batteries for iPods. They really come in handy when you're working. Metal damages and plastic doesn't, so this thing should just lift right up. Some of them are more tighter than others. You never know what you're going to experience. It depends how it was installed. But eventually you just gotta be... Oh, I think we got it. It's a little tight, but we got it out. Now you just gotta remove the battery cable from the main board. Sometimes these can also be ridiculously tight, especially if they haven't been changed in a long time. There you go, runners out. And you're looking at the inside of the click wheel. Right on the other side is the click wheel. Right here. Here's the new click wheel. Now we're going to be installing the new click wheel. You have to put the ribbon cable back into the main board. I just showed you. I took the clip out. Now the clip is open. See where my tip of my thumb is. You just got to slide that. Remember, the terminals in the metal of the ribbon have to be facing down. And then they basically just slide in. The ribbon cable slides in. And then you just push the clip down. And the clip holds it, prevents it from slipping out, because it's a mobile use. And from trauma it could just slip right out, and that's a very important cable because it connects the click wheel to the main board. Next thing we have to do is put the main board right back into the click wheel's case, like so. Just have to replace the screws.